Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So today I'm doing kind of a fun piece with some leftover paint. I'm going to do a flower using my cake pan to help protect the center of the flower. I'm going to start with some ivory black as my base color. And I have found that black is sometimes difficult to work with in acrylic paint pouring. And one reason for that is it depends on the brand that you're using. So for example, Artist Loft has a Mars Black, which I have found to be absolutely horrendous in working with in paint pouring because it eats up the other colors and creates these big black spots on your painting. I switched to ivory black and haven't had a problem since. I also have used Amsterdam lamp black and that has been great as well. So a little quick tip before you encounter any frustration with black. Those are the brands and the actual colors to use, and I'll put some links down below so you can reference those later. All right, so now I'm gonna get my cake pan on here. I'm gonna set it a little bit in the middle, but off center. And then we're gonna use some colors along the outside edge. Here I'm using a neon red. I'm using a purple, neon purple as well. This is a pre-mixed type of paint. I'm using a cadmium orange. I'm going to use a little bit of aqua blue, or green, I should say. And then a little bit of metallic cobalt because I happen to have that already mixed, so I'm going to throw it in here. I'm going to just gently move some of the black paint over the colors, and then I'm going to blow the rest out. All right, so I'm gonna pause and just take a look at it and see how I like it. I'm already starting to get some lacing, which I am happy with. Just gonna work a little bit more on the composition. I'm gonna take, I think, a palette knife and just go around the center of the flower a little bit to help those colors in the center blend together a little bit better. All right, now let's go ahead and take off the cake pan, and voila. So this is the final piece, and I just love how quick and simple and easy this was, and you can feel free to experiment with any colors that you happen to have laying around this. So if you're interested in some of my other flower compositions, I have a whole playlist here that I will leave you with if you're interested in watching some more videos of different types of flowers using acrylic paint pouring techniques. Well, that's all the time I have for today. I'll see you next time.